Well, His Excellency the President of Kurdistan is with me in front of this beautiful painting of traditional agriculture in Kurdistan, because Kurdistan was one of the great bread baskets of the Middle East, and when Saddam Hussein had his forced collectivization and then the corrupt way in which he ran the oil for food program, it destroyed a huge part of Kurdistan's agriculture. And I wanted to ask the President if he's confident that one day people will return to work on the land, not as hard as this, but
بالتأكيد خليها جريته وبتشتغل بلان بوسائل تازة نجبه ويا جوجوت وأمان وتراكتور وبوسائل تكنولوجيا تازة.
And with new technology, could Kurdistan feed itself again?
بالضمان أصلاً كردستان زور شوية مناسبة بوكشتوك أتوانين بشي خوي وبشي زور لجيرانا كونش تاني.
And how will you get young Kurdish people to go back to work on the land, because it's hard work, isn't it?
آخر أجر بهوي التكنولوجيا أو خدمات الشارع هي الدهاتش أو التأمين بكرة خليه كده دهات شو كجياني دزور خوش بلد الشارع بزور كذا.
And you produce very special things like pomegranates. And you think you could export those to the world?
والله زور شتى خاصة أو نار سيرو ممكن تلي أمانة زور لو جورا ميوانا كبكرسان زور مناسبة.
Well, I hope, Mr. President, that the Kurdish people will have another chance to enjoy beautiful scenes like this in prosperity in the future.
Thank
you very much.